Spa at home, pampering yourself for ultimate relaxation. Title: Spa at home, pampering yourself for ultimate relaxation. Introduction: 100 words. In today's fast-paced world, finding time for self-care and relaxation has become increasingly important. While visiting a luxurious spa might seem like the perfect solution, a more affordable and convenient alternative is creating a spa experience in the comfort of your own home. With a few simple techniques and a touch of creativity, you can transform your bathroom or any space into a tranquil oasis. In this article, we will explore various self-care rituals, DIY treatments, and ambience-enhancing tips to help you indulge in a spa-like experience at home. Setting the mood, 200 words. Creating a soothing atmosphere is crucial when trying to recreate the spa experience at home. Begin by decluttering your chosen space and ensuring it is clean and tidy. Soft, ambient lighting is essential, as it helps calm the mind and rejuvenate the body. Consider using candles, fairy lights, or dimmable lamps for a warm and cozy ambience. To enhance relaxation, incorporate calming scents into your space. Essential oils, such as lavender, chamomile, or eucalyptus, can be diffused or added to bathwater for a soothing aroma. Play gentle instrumental music or nature sounds to drown out outside noise and promote tranquility. 2. Preparing for your at-home spa experience, 300 words. Before diving into your pampering session, it is important to prepare yourself physically and mentally. Start by carving out dedicated time for self-care, ensuring you won't be disturbed. Communicate your need for uninterrupted relaxation to those around you. Begin your spa session by taking a warm shower or bath to open up your pores and ease tension. Consider using bath salts, bubbles, or oils to enhance the experience. Exfoliate your skin using a gentle scrub, focusing on rough areas like elbows, knees, and heels. This will remove dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. 3. DIY treatments, 500 words. One of the highlights of an at-home spa experience is indulging in various DIY treatments. Here are some recipes and techniques to try. 1. Facial mask. Honey and yogurt mask. Mix a tablespoon of honey with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Apply to your face and leave on for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing off. This mask is hydrating and soothing. FECT for revitalizing your skin. 2. Body scrub. Coffee scrub. Mix equal parts ground coffee and brown sugar, then add a tablespoon of coconut oil. Gently massage onto damp skin, focusing on areas prone to dryness or cellulite. Coffee stimulates blood flow and exfoliates the skin, leaving it soft and smooth. 3. Foot soak. Epsom salt foot soak. Dissolve half a cup of Epsom salt in warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. Epsom salt helps relax muscles and relieves tension, making it an ideal treatment after a long day. 4. Hair mask. Avocado and coconut oil hair mask. Mash 1 ripe avocado with 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Apply the mixture to damp hair, focusing on the ends. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes before rinsing For. Uffly. This mask deeply nourishes and conditions hair, leaving it soft and shiny. 4. Stress relieving techniques, 200 words. While enjoying your at-home spa experience, incorporate stress-relieving techniques to maximize relaxation. Experiment with mindfulness exercises, such as deep breathing or meditation, to calm the me. ND and promote mental well-being. Practice self-massage techniques on areas that hold tension, such as the neck, shoulders, and scalp. Use gentle, circular motions or apply pressure on knots to release built-up stress and tightness. B. Post-spa care, 100 words. After your soothing spa session, make sure to continue prioritizing self-care. Hydrate your body by drinking plenty of water and moisturize your skin with a nourishing lotion or oil. Reflect on your spa experience and take note of what worked well for you, so you can recreate it in the future. Use this time to treat yourself with kindness and foster a positive mindset. Bye. Embracing self-care as a lifestyle, 200 words. While an at-home spa experience is a fantastic way to indulge in relaxation, it's essential to carry the principles of self-care into your daily life. By making conscious efforts to prioritize your well-being, you can cultivate a lifestyle that promotes long-term physical and mental health. Incorporate small acts of self-care into your routine, such as taking regular breaks, practicing gratitude, or engaging in activities that bring you joy. These simple actions can significantly impact your overall happiness and outlook on life. Additionally, consider establishing boundaries and saying no when necessary to avoid overcommitting or overwhelming yourself. Remember that self-care is not selfish but necessary for maintaining a healthy balance. Seek out opportunities for mindful movement, such as yoga, walking in nature, or dancing. These activities not only benefit your physical health but also promote mental clarity and stress reduction. Lastly, surround yourself with positive influences, whether it be supportive friends and family or inspiring books and podcasts. Cultivating a positive environment will help you stay motivated in focused on your self-care journey. By embracing self-care as a lifestyle, you can experience the benefits of relaxation, rejuvenation, and improved well-being throughout each day, not just during an occasional spa session at home. Title: